Hey guys, and welcome to Real Work at Home Jobs with Thressa. And today is just going to be basically giving you an overview about real work at home jobs with myself, Thressa. I'm Thressa. I try my best to help stay at home moms, stay at home dads, retirees, senior citizen, teenager, college students, someone that has a felony on their record, found legitimate work at home jobs. I remember in 2006, I was looking for a real work at home jobs, and I got caught into like stuffing envelopes, and I sent them $50, and I had to pay for my own stamps, and that was a scam, and I didn't know any better. Anytime you have to pay for something, that should be a red flag. Any job that you're applying for, you shouldn't have to pay for anything. So I'm here to just help people so they won't fall into mistakes that I've made in the past. Every job that I'm giving you, I've done the research. All you have to do is apply. All the jobs that I'm doing a video on, they're scam free, no money down. This is not an MLM. This is not a business opportunity. This is regular jobs that corporate companies are looking to hire people like you and myself to work in the comfort of their own home. So I'm here to just be a blessing to anyone that are looking for work at home jobs. I just cannot count on my hands and toes how many times I have overheard someone talking about, I need some extra cash. I need to work from home. Where do I begin? So that's when I came in. I said, let me do a video and help people and tell people how to get started. To work from home is really not that much that you need to do. Non-phone jobs, all you need is like a PC or a laptop, and that's just basically it. And if you have like a meeting, you can use your cell phone or the house phone to dial in a 1-800 number to listen into the meeting. When you're customer service jobs, when you're applying for service jobs, you have to also have a PC. Some companies will hire you to do work on your laptop. You have to have a phone, and when I say a phone, not a house phone, an office phone, so you can go to like Best Buy, Target, uh, anywhere, Walmart, and buy your phone, office phone, to take calls. And most companies require, you can use voice over IP. It just depends. And some companies require that you have to have a landline. And for those who don't know, a landline is just strictly a line with no caller ID or no caller waiting on it. It's just a simple line so you can take calls. And then you just need a headset, with a microphone, so you can start talking to customers. And then you just need a quiet that area to work that is free of background noise. So I mean, it could be in your living room, it could be in your kitchen, it could be you're gonna create your own office. You just got to do whatever you have to make it work. I mean, I know some people that take calls in the comfort of their own home in the living room, and that's their office. They're just making it happen. So I am here to be a blessing to anyone that is in need of a job. I mean, I'm here. Whatever courses that you have, feel free. I'm down to earth. I will be able to assist you in that area. If I don't know, I would do the research for you, and I would get back with you. I call these companies personally and just make sure it's legitimate. Do you still have this work at home jobs, prior to me doing the video for you? But again, I'm here just to help you to find legitimate work at home jobs. And I hope you continue to watch my videos and subscribe to my channel, comment below, and click on the bell to be notified each and every time that video has been uploaded. And last but not least, go to my Facebook page, my Facebook group called Real Work at Home Jobs with Thressa, and all the work at home jobs that I've listed on the videos will also be there as well. We can start a discussion about, did you apply for the position? How did it go? If you have any questions about anything, resumes, I can assist you in that area. Again, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my videos. Take care and have a wonderful day.